My tip to you today is believe in yourself. Many of you don't think that you could be a successful real estate investor. It's too hard. I don't know what to do. I'm lazy. I'm irresponsible. I'm this, that, and the other. And you come up with all these reasons why you can't do it. Every one of those reasons I just gave is BS, and you need to stop saying it to yourself. Have you had a job for over 5 years with the same company? Have you? Maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years? Do you realize that it's harder to keep the same job for 2 or 3 years than it is to run an apartment complex? And I'm talking 400 units, 500 units. What you have achieved is harder than running an apartment complex, and you don't believe in yourself. If you've been able to keep a job 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 years, you could master real estate investing with just a little bit of education. Believe in yourself for another reason. One of the students at Total Wealth Academy, Alyssa, was filling up her car. When she put the credit card in, it was declined. When she went to her debit card, it was declined. She looks it up on her phone, finds out she has less than $4 in her bank account. She has 2 twins, and her husband just left her. They're sitting in the car, waiting. She can't even fill up her car. She came here. She now owns 2 apartment complexes and a self-storage facility. If she can do it, why can't you? The difference is she believed in herself. Something clicked, and she said, I've got to change. Part of that change is believing in yourself. Believe in yourself, get it done, wipe out the BS, wipe out all the garbage that's telling you you can't do it, because you can. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.